Hey guys, what's up YouTube? This is Chris. Today I got to grind a big old oak stump, one of the largest ones I've had to do in a long time. So here we go. Yeah, it's pretty big, man, pretty big. The hardest part about it is got all these rocks, man, these big rocks, but the stump ain't that bad. I'll have to come in here at the where it's level right here. I'll start right here and then I'd start just eating it up. You eat it one bite at a time, just like an elephant. I just finished up on that grinding that stump, and it was a dude. It was a big old oak. It had to be at least 100 years old, but I'll show you what it looked like, what it looks like now. So you're curious, you know, you might want to wonder why I took the chute off. Actually, it broke off. I got to get that welded and fixed. I got it in the back of the truck. You know, I guess I could order a new one and weld this piece of tubing and then stick a piece of you know, a rod in there, a threaded rod or whatever, bolt, and replace it. I mean, if I call Rayco, but hell, you can't get parts right now, so I don't know if I want to try to do that or not. But anyway, a buddy of mine, he said he'd help me fix it later tonight, so that it, you know, it helped out in this situation because it kept blowing the stuff away from my stump grinder. I mean, it blew it up on the berm anyway. That's wood chips anyway, so yeah. Anyway, it's pretty good. I'm gonna blow a little bit and see, make sure I try to level it out, man. When you're doing these big stumps, like this, they're really, really hard when you got that much mulch you got to work with. So, but it's a good day. It's a good day. I'm stump grinding, you know. I mean, I'll take this any day of the week, man. Hey, if you like the videos, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.